Are you ready to go on a trip to the farmer's market with us? Then stay tuned for our Fruit for Thought farmer's market themed. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And Bandit's on my lap. So you might see him, there's his curly tail right there, because when snacks come out, he will be begging for sharing. If you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is our Fruit for Thought. Every month is a different theme, and she's no longer just focusing on fruit. She's focusing on all kinds of themes, and this month is the farmer's market. So, Chloe, you ready to bust on in? What's the first thing?
No, there's fruit snacks. Apple and raspberry.
So there is by Frutina. Fruit snack. It's like a fruit leather, I'm thinking.
There's also vegetable fettuccine. And a produce wash.
Oh, nice. This is by the Sea Witch. Let's take a look at that. What is this? That's interesting. Is it a bar? Looks like a bar, yeah. Okay. What's in a produce wash, I wonder? Let's see.
Then we have like a salad chopper.
Okay.
It's supposed to help with cutting salads. Ooh, dried fruit. Strawberry, apple, and kiwi.
Oh, that sounds right up your alley.
Ooh, French beans, lime, and garlic. Never tried French beans before.
They look like string beans to me.
Yeah. Kind of look like sugar snap peas. And then a market list. And yep. I think that's it. It's really pretty paper.
So this is an organic coconut-based soap that works great for scrubbing off wax, microbes, and soil from your delicate fruits and veggies. You can even use this soap for your dishes, pots, and pans. Oh, for the dried fruit? I think this is for tea.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, it says cold, 1 package, add to cold water overnight in the refrigerator, or prepare hot and add ice and water as needed. And for hot, 1 package to boiling water and let infuse.
I knew that was like a little bit, not a lot. But I'm like, oh, this is barely anything. I guess it's because it's tea.
It says add delicious taste to your, it's not a tea, but it's from the Grateful Tea Company. Premium dried whole fruit packs. Refreshing, detoxing, and slimming and full of vitamins. This will surely pep up your water.
It's not slimming, it's fruit.
I don't know. Or I guess rather than drinking like something with sugar in it. So.
I'd rather have it like as it is right now than just put in water, because it's just going to take like, the water's not going to have too much flavor in it.
Well, we'll give it a try and see.
From like experience, you know.
Well, we'll give it a try and see. All right, so that is our Fruit for Thought for the month of May. And next month in June is the old-fashioned soda fountain. So I'm super excited about that one. How about you?
Yeah. Wait, Mom.
What?
I just randomly remembered. Remember the time we tried to grow plants here like a couple of years ago, and we like grew a bunch of like herbs, and we also grew like, for some strange reason we tried to grow like it was lemon or something, but it never grew.
Well, it did, but then it died.
Oh yeah.
Because I wasn't here and Papa didn't take care of it.
Did we ever get a lemon out of that?
No. It takes like a few years for that to actually happen. Yeah. No lemon.
Huh. The tomatoes did pretty good for a while though. Those were like the best to take care of. I just randomly remembered that.
Okay, and there's your random thought for the day. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Please consider hitting the like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, we'll see you soon.